Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know you can create videos using Meta AI for free? You can turn your ideas into short videos in just a few simple steps. This is a powerful feature that lets you generate videos from text without any editing skills. Let me show you how. First, open the Meta AI app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. On the home screen, tap Create an image. Then use the input box at the bottom that says describe an image or video. Tap the input box and type your idea. Make sure to describe a video clearly, not just an image. For example, include movement or action in your prompt, then send your request. Meta AI will process your prompt and generate a video. Wait a few moments until the result appears. Once ready, you can watch the video and may have options to save or share it. This makes it easy to create creative videos using just text. And that's how to create AI videos in Meta AI on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.